Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Maziwe. Imina ke ingane yamakhehla madala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla mahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. In this video, ngiyaqhubeka ngokufundisa ngo-Israel, so that sizokwazi ukuzibona ukuthi yithini abantwana bakwa-Israel and sizolunga kanjani uma singazi ukuthi siqhamukaphi sivelaphi ene yini lo uNkulunkulu ayifunayo kithina. So inkosi yangiphakamisa ukuthi mazi ngicela ukuthi uyofundisa, ngicela ukuthi ubakhanyisele, because of a church these books bezingafundwa, bezingachazwa kahle. Kanti mawuhleli doing your own Bible study, ufundi izwi laNkulunkulu, you start seeing a lot of resemblance ebantwana baka-Israel and us thina abantu abansundu ukuthi oh okay, I get it now, I get it, this is us and we need to change. And I'm not saying it's our fault, but uNkulunkulu nathi usibhekile manje ukuthi labantwana ufuna ukungitshela ukuthi they not gonna read the word, ufuna ukungitshela ukuthi hence athini makaziwe phakama nizowazi ukuthi kuwonakala emandulo. So aningahlali in those teachings zogogo beni zomkhulu beni that were not good. Guqukani, yenzani kahle and follow me, follow my teachings, because of thina sila, but even nabogogo bethu bafundiswe omama babo, okhokho nabo uyabona ukuthi isuka from a lot of generations. But uNkulunkulu uthini kimi manje, ngicela ukuthi uphakame, ngifuna abantwana bami bakwa-Israel babuye kimina. So we are going to the book of Jeremiah and we are going to chapter 2. Jeremiah was a prophet and God would speak directly to Jeremiah. Jeremiah sebenzisa umlomo wakhe ukuthi akhulume ukuthi uNkulunkulu uthini. So yini ke icala lethu thina abantwana bakwa-Israel? Because of thina we are descendants of u-Israel. Siyizukulwana. So angeke ngize ngimfunde wonke. I've just highlighted verses. I would like for you to go to chapter 2 Jeremiah so that uzokwazi nawe ukubona, sizokwazi sonke ukulunga ukuthi uNkulunkulu waka-Israel kahle uma kuloko kuthiwa uNkulunkulu waka-Israel thina saphendukela uNkulunkulu sakhonza iy'thixo. Because of I'm even having people on WhatsApp who are saying amadlozi are the idols. Yes, amadlozi are idols because of uNkulunkulu waphethe lamadlozi olokolo busy dlozi this dlozi that. uNkulunkulu waphethe lo madlozi lawo. And uNkulunkulu is a jealous God. So he's jealous because of he knows ukuthi kunabanye abazama ukuzenza oNkulunkulu. Wazi kahle ukuthi kukhona abazenza yena la emhlabeni that thina will be fooled and then silandele bona. So ngiyacela ke, let's be liberated. Nayo nginkululeko. And excuse the background noise. So verse 4 says, "Hear the word of the Lord, O house of Jacob, and all the families of the house of Israel. Thus says the Lord, what injustice have your fathers found in me? They have gone far from me, have followed idols, balandele ini ama idols, and have become idolaters." 6. Neither did they say, where is the Lord who brought us up out of the land of Egypt, who led us through the wilderness, through a land of desert and pits, through a land of drought and the shadow of death, through a land that no one crossed and where no one dwelt. 7. I brought you into a bountiful country to eat its fruits and its goodness, but when you entered, you defiled my land. and made my heritage an abomination. 8. The priests did not say, Where is the Lord? And those who handled the law did not know me. The rulers also transgressed against me. The prophets prophesied by Baal and walked after things that do not profit. 9. Uzwag 9. Therefore, I will yet bring charges against you, says the Lord, and against your children's children I will bring charges. So uyabona ukuthi sifela izono zabazali bethu kuzomela ukuthi senze kangcono. Ngiyaskipa ngizogcina la ku-13. 13. For my people have committed two evils. Nazi izinto ezithu uNkulunkulu athi sizenzile. They have forsaken me, the fountain of living waters, and hewn themselves cisterns, broken cisterns that can hold no water. So meaning uNkulunkulu simphendukele, simjikele, asisakhonza uNkulunkulu kodwa sikhonza lezi ithixo zethu. So I know people are going to come and say, hey, idlozi, and all of that. Now I want us to go to the part where it says the prophets prophesied by Baal and walked after things that do not profit. So when we talk about Baal, ubani lo esikhuluma ngaye? Yini le esikhuluma ngaye? I just made some notes. So the worship of Baal was associated with fertility, rain, and agricultural prosperity. When I saw this fact, I was like, angiqali ukuyizwa lento. Because of bathi kudala emandulo, people were able to pray for rain, people were able to pray for ukuthi babe ne-agricultural prosperity. So, and that people deem it as their African what? Spirituality. Kanti cha, imfundiso zakabani lezo, imfundiso zaka Ahab, not Jezebel. Because of Ahab was a king yakwaJuda. Ezwana nobane no Jezebel. Jezebel was a princess, and Jezebel is the one who believed in this Baal. Baal meaning Lord, Baal meaning the owner. So uyena owayephakamisa ama-prophets akaBaal. So basically Ahab uyena wayenza iteyini itempele lapha, wayenza isithixo, wayenza i-altar, and kukhule kuBaal, because of what they wanted is that people shouldn't pray uNkulunkulu, the creator, the almighty, but bafocus uNkulunkulu or Baal. Because of, remember, abantu, all they want la emhlabeni is prosperity. Because of the worship of Baal was associated with fertility, rain, and agricultural prosperity. And ekudala uyazi agriculture kwakusetshenzwa angithi nokuzwa labantu abachaza ukuthi bekunabo nomkhulwane abo sikhulekela imvula, sikhulekela ini. God ufuna ukukhonzwa ayedwa, ufuna ukuthandazwa ayedwa umveli nqangi. The God who created heavens and earth ufuna ukuthi ukhulume naye, because of ungaphakathi kuthina. Simfune sikhuleke ngeinhliziyo zethu zonke. Hayi le ndaba zokuthi sihambe manje siye manje eintabeni siyokhuleka nezinye izithixo lapha siloko sicela sifuna izinto and all of that. So yabona ukuthi izinto zamoshakala zakudala. Yes, Baal was defeated. Obvious, the introduction of our prophet Elijah, but this Baal doctrine, it's still it still exists even in our today's society. Why it still exists in our today's society? I've just made 2 points so that I can emphasize ukuthi how do you see this belief yakabal? Idolatry in this day and age. Idolatry in this day and age. You are placing your faith, your ultimate faith and security in possessions, in career, in your looks, and also in relationships. So we are also promoting idolatry because of why? Our faith is in the things that we possess. Our faith is in our careers, looks, or relationships. And God says those things, you won't profit with those things because of faith yakho. It's you believing in the unseen and believing because of uNkulunkulu awumboni kodwa uyamathemba ukuthi uzokwenzela. The one who created you, the one who created heavens and earth, who makes it rain, you believe that uzokwenzela. But at this day and age, this Baal doctrine, this Baal belief system, it still exists. Yes, awaseka amathempele siwabonayo ukuthi okay, laba beke isithixo sabo bayasithandaza, sisaziboni thina lezo zinto lezo. But in our lifestyles, idolatry is still practiced. Why? Through the positions, esinazo, through career, the looks, the relationship, and through people strong and all of that. So how do you think God feels more khuluma kanjani ukuthi when you are just promoting iy'ngilosi lezi akuhambisa nazo uqhoma ngazo kodwa awubabazi yena uNkulunkulu? Materialism and prosperity gospel. The belief that God's favor is directly tied to worldly things such as wealth. A lot of people believe ukuthi ifavor kaNkulunkulu sizoyibona ngokuthi ucebe ube wealthy. And today siyabona ukuthi amanga leyo nto leyo ukuthi for us to see God's favor ukuthi kumele sicebe sibe rich, because of a lot of people who are rich la emhlabeni. Iy'gigaba seziphumile with a lot of sgaxas eziphumayo zama-politicians, like whatever that's happening in government, those people who are living lavish life, even the people that we see here on these platforms who are living a lavish life. When everything is put out there, ukuthi labantu bahlala endaweni eziserious top notch, then we are born ukuthi that's not God's favor. God's favor, it does not mean good. You'll have all the money in the world, you'll be filthy rich. Those people are doing rituals. Those people are still following a doctrine because of Baal is all about prosperity, about gain. That ideology, that worshipping, it's associated with fertility, with rain, with agricultural prosperity. When you talk about agricultural prosperity, yes, into zakudala, but right now people want wealth. They want to be rich, wealthy, and have it all. Bacabanga ukuthi yonke le mali abanayo, zonke le zinto abanazo, they will sustain them forever and ever. Bazokwazi futhi ukungena nazo ezulwini. Cha, abazukwazi ukungena nazo ezulwini because of uze unje. Uzohamba futhi ushiye le nyama, uhambe futhi ngokoma uyishiye izinto zomhlaba. Ngiyanicela iy'nhliziyo zenu mazihlakaniphe. Ngiyanicela iy'nhliziyo zenu mazihlakaniphe. Vulani iy'nhliziyo nikhuleke kuye uNkulunkulu. Nikhuleke kuye uNkulunkulu nimcela ukuthi akayiveze ngaphezulu kwezimo zey'mpilo zenu. Wena onesiphiwo, yes unesiphiwo, but uNkulunkulu comes first. uNkulunkulu uzaqala ngaphezulu kwesimo sempilo yakho. Yebo ungabe uhamba nesalukazi, ungabe uhamba nekhehla, and those are your guides, those are your guardian angels, abantu ohamba nabo labo every day. But into ebalulekile ukuthi uNkulunkulu umnika lonke udumo, umnika yonke iglory, unikeza yena inhliziyo yakhe. Awuthembeli in materialistic stuff, awuthembeli ezintweni, because of izinto mase yishubile la uzolokole umemeza ukuthi ulokole ufuna ulokole ubhizi uthi hey ngiyokhala kudlozi lami, ngiyokhala kudlozi lami. Wawungakhala kuNkulunkulu bese uNkulunkulu akuphendule kahle, because of sifundiswe kabi ukuthi uNkulunkulu akasizwa, or we need to speak to amadlozi wethu bese asikhulumela noNkulunkulu. Cha, mina for example ngihamba nawo amakhehla are just my guardian angels. Abantu laba bavikayo uqale ngokomoya babona ukuthi kukhona into embi eyenzakalayo. But my communication, mina ngithandaza uNkulunkulu, biza uNkulunkulu Baba, uNkulunkulu Ndodana, uNkulunkulu Moya Oyingcwele, bese uNkulunkulu ayangihambulela ayangikhanyisela ngayo yona impilo yami, ngayo yona impilo. Phelela lapho hayi ukuthi mangihamba ngilokole ngithi hey mina dlozi lami likhulu, dlozi lami lizokushaya, ungangithathe kancane and all of that. Cha. The only thing I do, I respect everyone, and I also want that to be reciprocated. That's all. uNkulunkulu uthi ake ngiphakame because of lento yamoshakala kudala kogogo bethu siyehla nayo ikithi kumanje, kodwa kumele sikwazi ukwenzani, ukuhlukanisa. uNkulunkulu munye, kodwa la emhlabeni kukhona abanye uNkulunkulu. If you didn't know, now you know. I love you so much, guys. Stay blessed.